If you are looking for the official GoHighLevel 30-day free trial, you are in the exact right place. In this quick video, I am going to show you exactly how to get the GoHighLevel extended free trial step by step, so you don't accidentally get stuck with the shorter 14-day version. Before we jump into the setup, make sure to look at the very first line of the description or the pinned comment below this video. I have placed the direct official GoHighLevel 30-day free trial link right there for you. Clicking that specific link ensures your GoHighLevel account setup qualifies for the full, extended 30 days entirely risk-free. Once you click the GoHighLevel free trial link below, it will take you straight to the official landing page. This is the ultimate CRM for marketing agencies and small businesses, but you don't need a massive company to get started. When you click the Sign Up button, you will enter your name and business email. If you don't have an official business registered yet, do not worry. You can literally just use your personal name as the company name for now to launch your GoHighLevel agency software. Next, you will fill out the basic account information. GoHighLevel will ask for your billing details to secure the trial, but you will not be charged a single penny today. Your 30-day timer starts right now, giving you a full month to build your first GoHighLevel sales funnel, set up automated workflows, and explore the GoHighLevel pricing plans to see which one fits your goals. This tool replaces ClickFunnels, HubSpot, and Mailchimp all at once, saving you hundreds of dollars a month. If you want to stop paying for multiple softwares and scale your business, this is the absolute best way to do it. If this video helped you save money and find the right link, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick, no-nonsense tutorials. Don't forget to share this video with anyone else looking to scale their agency this year. Go ahead, scroll down right now, and click that GoHighLevel 30-day free trial link in the description below to lock in your extended access and start building. If you run into any issues during the sign-up process, drop a comment below and I will help you out.